Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see multi-dimension arrays in Java. So we are going to see multi-dimensional array. So we have seen single dimension array. So single dimension array only one row will be there. So here in multi-dimension the data are stored in the rows and columns. So the data are stored in rows and columns based on the index. So this is how it is, something like a matrix form. Okay, so here also we are going to see like the same way how you have to initiate and declare it, and how you have to assign a value like initiation, and next one is like accessing or retrieving. So the syntax is similar to the single dimension. You have to give data type of, here single dimension means one square bracket. If it is multi-dimension, two square bracket like the array name. Similar way, the same thing. Data type of array name. Data type array name of. So this you have to give. So now if you want to assign a value, the same thing for assigning. Normally you will give 0 equal to 10, but this is for single dimension. But for multi-dimension you have to give the row number and the column number. So here it should be row and column. So if I am just giving some value of 0 0 means now it will have like 100 means in 0 0 100 will be stored. So how the multi-dimension will be? So here you can see I am just giving three rows. So this is row and this is column. So I'm just giving 0 1 2 0 1 2. So this is like three rows. So row A, this is array is A of 0 0 means here row 0 column 0. So the value will be whatever, here we will be giving like 100. So like A of 0 1 means 1 equal to 10 means here 0 1 here 10, like this the value will be there. So here you can see this will be represented in this form. So this is for reading the row we need a loop, and for reading the column we need the loop. So first row you have to get all the column value. Second row all the column value. Third row all the column value. So to achieve to access this we should use a nested for loop. So one outer loop is for row and inner loop is for column. So if you are keeping in that way, then the you can access the multi-dimension array. So let me give you with a simple example for multi-dimension array. So here you can see int a of, just this is multi-dimension array. So if you want to declare a value in one single go, so this will represent the, so this is the multi-dimension array A, and if this whole thing represent the row, inside that one by one column if you want to give, you have to give like this. First row, next second row, next third row, third row. So now you can give like this. So this will be something like this. How the value will be represented is, let me show you. One, two, three, 2, 5, 3. 1 2 3 2 5 3 8 5 9. 859. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So A of 0, 0, you will have 1. A of 0, 1, you will have 2. A of 0, 2, you will have 3. Like this, you will be having the values. So you can see in program, I am using one loop for I. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, only 3, I plus plus. So this I am just giving this loop, it is to for the row. Just to represent the row we are giving I. J we are giving for column increment. So now you can give for int j is equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. So as I said, inner loop will execute first. In before video I have said. So first j only will complete its iteration, only then I will increment. So if I am giving system.out.println of I plus just j, you can see in which order I it is printing. First inner loop will execute, then only outer loop will execute. So I am just executing this code. You can see the output. You can see this is inner loop. So first time I is equal to 0 and j is 0. Again j only is incrementing because j is an inner loop. So it is incremented and you got the value. So after completion of j iteration, I is getting and 2. So till I and j executed. So if you want to get the value of this, okay, so how you will be getting? If you are giving a of I j, means according to the value 0001, what value is there, it will be printing in this place. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 5, 9. All the values it is printed. So this is how we have studied nested loop, because nested loops are used in the multi-dimension arrays. Okay, so using this you can able to perform so many operations like pattern printing you can perform, and you can like perform like different like logics like maximum minimums in this values, everything you can perform. So this is something like a matrices. Okay, so multi-dimension means multiple rows and columns. You can keep n number of rows and column. According to that, you have to write your for loop for accessing the array. Thank you.